All right, y'all. So yes, today is that day. I went and took myself over to my local Best Buy to go check out the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in its glory, all of its beautiful thin glory. My last video, I kind of talked about just initial thoughts, unpacked the event, all that stuff. I had to go put my hands on it, because I said in that video as well that I was very interested. Now I had to go see, like, is this interest real or is it just, from afar? Before we get started, just want to let you know this is definitely one of them tethered, like this is my first look from a tethered perspective, so to speak. And anybody who understands that, that's basically, you got your device tied to the joint at Best Buy. So that's the tethered review. Now we're not giving no review though. No, I didn't take no pictures. I didn't do no full deep dive while at Best Buy, absolutely not. But I did get it on camera a little bit so y'all can see exactly, what we're working with. But let's go ahead and get into it. I don't want to say I'm blown away. I'm not blown away because of what I then found out a little bit, like after getting a little bit more information about how Samsung was able to achieve such thinness. It kind of it set me back a little bit. While that is an issue, that does not take away from the fact that this phone, the new Z Fold 7, felt so good. It felt really good. The 21:9 aspect ratio is I like that, because it reminds me of the Sony. That form factor, that 21:9 aspect ratio, I think that's perfect. It is still on the narrow side when compared to, things like an iPhone or even like the S24, S25 Ultra rather. Not super wide by any means, but it still offers you the nice one-handed feel while still it's being perfect. It's pretty much perfect. That is the perfect cover screen in my opinion. I was okay with the narrow one. I'm not gonna say that was perfect. This one here, I believe it was 20:9 or something like 18:9, I can't remember, but not perfect, but I'm fine with it. I love the one-handed use of this as well. And that thinness, man, the thinness of this phone. The first thing I did was when I thought about it, I was like, yo, this is definitely thinner than my iPhones with a case on it. And even putting it up to the Z Fold or Z Flip 7, it's not too much thicker when closed than the Z Flip 7 when opened. So it's like, I'm feeling that, all right? I'm feeling that. Like, Samsung got some on their hands with this one, and with that being said, I did go ahead and make that little pre-order, man. I had to, man. I was like, you know what, look. I really enjoyed using the Z Fold 6. I absolutely did. I think the only drawback I had was battery. Now, that's not to say that won't be the case with the Z Fold 7 down the line, because it still has a 4,400 milliamp hour battery, but it does have, a little bit more of an efficient chip. So, hopefully that does help with that. I have been seeing some pretty promising reviews of the battery thus far. Now, I'm one of those people that likes to see the battery a few months from now after some continued use, some charges, where that, the battery degradation begins to set in a little bit. That's where I want to see it. Like, at the beginning is always going to be the best battery, but then like 3 months later you realize that after a couple updates or whatever, you're not able to get, a full day easily. That remains to be seen. Regardless, though, I'm optimistic. Cameras, I didn't take pictures or anything like that, but the initial shot seems cool. You got your 10 megapixel inside camera. Now visible. It's not under the display. That's kind of trash anyway. So I feel like with this one, they should have just got rid of it. The inside camera, I never used it, and I probably still won't use it even on this one, even though it's probably gonna be a better experience. All in all, though, I'm very happy about it. I can't wait to get mine. Should be good though. So I just want to kind of give you guys my first look at that Z Fold 7. Super thin, super crisp, super clean. Can't wait to get my hands on it, man. So like, subscribe, share, be tuned when that joint drop. I think it's the 25th is when things are supposed to be shipped out. That's what they got, on the website. So, man, we out.